Okay, this session we're gonna try to disassemble the Gomexus SX450 and we're gonna try to open everything. Okay, so we're gonna begin by the handles. You can remove it. You need a pair of pliers to handle this part and turn this. After that, you have the screw inside here. Then you can remove it. Is the Phillips screw. You can pull it out, and watch out, sometimes you're gonna have in this part you have this piece and you have a bearing here. Okay, so but in our case I just need to put that thing here. So to remove everything, we're gonna start to open it with the torque keys they give inside the box. So you have 5 screws to open. Okay, we have 5. So in this part we have nothing special. Maybe when you see it's brand new, maybe myself I will add some grease inside. There's not enough grease. And this wheel is the SX450L. So okay, I'll take this on the side. Okay, you have a bearing here. The bearing should be moved first. Okay, and the bearing is supposed to go inside here. Don't close it. So it's there. Okay, after we have 4 screws, Phillips screw that need to remove. Okay, this part is like this. You have a clip holding everything here. It's a black clip, so we're gonna pop it out. So after that we hold everything's in. So we're supposed to have double metal rings with the small rings here too. I'm gonna put it on the side here. Have a spring. And inside we have another ring and the bearings. So we're gonna try to remove everything like this. Okay. You see all the bearings coming out. I'll try to put it back inside. Also have another spring here, another disc. Okay, have another ring here. Come on. Metal disc should pop out here. It's 2 discs and an assembly who hold everything. And here we have this ring. And this ring is holded. You can move it. You need to remove the axe from the other side. Okay. You need to remove the blue cap. because inside you're gonna find the another clip will hold everything's, you know. So first we're gonna remove the clip. Okay. Finally remove the clip. So you have a small ring here too, protecting things here. It's a ball bearings. I'm gonna try to remove it first. Okay, you see you have the pinion gear. I can now remove the pinion gears and everything's, and also I need to access. I remove the small pinion gear that's inside here. I think we have the bearing for the pinion gears this side. So to remove the pinion gear bearings, I need to remove the handle here. For this, I need another torque key, but bigger one, because what they provide inside the box is not the right size. Okay, so we need to remove. I'm gonna remove the screw here from the handle. Need to watch out, because when you're going to remove the handles, you have everything's here, but you also have a small ring here. Don't want to lose it. Goes under here. You have a cap, and also you have this thing gonna pop out. You can pop it out from here. Everything's come out here, where you're gonna see you have an external bearing outside. Here you have small rings. You have two one-way bearing here is 2, and also a bigger bearings here. All everything's okay. It's greasy a bit. Okay, so now everything's open. So we have this bearing here. Then you can remove. And to pop it out is not easy, because you need to use tools. Okay, finally for the bearings here, I use the tools like this. You know, I made it with wires, and I put it flat and get inside and pull the bearing out. Okay, because it's not easy, because the hole is smaller here than the bearing, so you can push it up. Okay, and it's almost done. You almost remove everything. Okay, because the main body here does nothing special inside. It's greasy, it's perfect, but if you have to do cleanup, you remove everything, and you clean everything. You put some new grease on it. And this part is easy. You can remove everything. It's nothing fixed, and that's it.